Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to register a DAO in OpenBook. Before we start, your DAO needs to exist on-chain. The quickest way is CreateDAO, which deploys a complete governance system, your token, treasury, and governor in a single transaction, and it's built to be OpenBook ready from day one. Let's begin. Search for CreateDAO on Google and open the first result. On the homepage, you'll see you can deploy on a testnet or on mainnet. Once your DAO is deployed, it appears on the Deploy DAOs page, and all of its contracts are live on the network. Here's the one detail you'll need for registration, the Governor contract address. Open your DAO's contract on the Block Explorer and copy the Governor Proxy address. We'll paste it into OpenBook in a moment. Now head over to OpenBook. From the Explore DAOs page, let's connect our wallet. I'd recommend nyknyc, since it has sponsored transactions and supports passkeys natively. Just sign the message with your passkey to verify the wallet is yours. And we're in. Now click Register DAO. This is where we connect our on-chain governance to OpenBook. Let's fill out the form. Under Basic Information, start with the slug. This is your DAO's handle in the URL, so keep it short and lowercase, like DAO form. Next, the contract address. Paste the Governor Proxy address we copied from the Explorer. This is what links OpenBook to your live Governor contract, so double check it's correct. Then choose the network. Make sure this matches the chain you deployed on, in our case, Arbitrum One. The remaining fields are optional, but worth filling in. Add your website, your X, Discord, and Telegram links, upload a logo, and write a short description so members know what your DAO is about. We'll add DAO Forum Management Platform.
Everything looks good, so let's click Register DAO. And there it is. Registration successful. Give it a moment to sync, and you'll see your treasury populate. Here, 9.9 million DFR, tracked automatically. From this dashboard, you can monitor your treasury, view transactions, and manage governance. And that's it. Your DAO is now registered in OpenBook. The next step is creating your first proposal, but we'll cover that in another video. That's the full process for registering a DAO. Head to openbook.to to bring your DAO on board.